Welcome to In the Tank, a living oceans aquarium set up in 90 minutes. Then the life on the reef takes over. Today we meet Henri.
I'm Henri, Peppermint Shrimp. Polite, precise, professional. I work the night shift. Jointed legs, long antennae, fine mouth parts, built for detail.
Weeks pass. Hard algae settles into the rock. The ecosystem matures. And when the lights go out, maintenance begins.
That's my cue. When the reef goes dark, I get to work. I remove leftovers, pick at detritus, and if nuisance pests appear, like Aiptasia in the rock, I handle them quietly. I reach where others can't. By morning, the reef is reset. Many of us are now aquacultured. Our mothers carry their eggs beneath their tails until they hatch, and we help keep this living ecosystem in balance for years to come.
It all started in 90 minutes. Then nature took over. Meet the rest of the reef in the next episode of In the Tank. Coming up next is